What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how we do a special effect called the fast zoom. So recently we've been working on our video essay for the month that's coming out soon, and there's this effect that I want to do and I want to just show you what that looks like. So first of all, you have to get all your files on the timeline. Basically get all your files on the timeline and have them arranged. Basically you want to take like 5 frames. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 frames of each clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So you want to use 5 frames of each clip. One, two, three, four, five, yeah. And the last footage is to ease in back into your edit, basically. So let's say you have your footage all laid and cut up in these 5 frames. The next few things you want to do is to add a transform effect to all of it. So you want to go to effects, and I want to go transform. Then in your effect and controls, you want to zoom, scale. Basically, you want to use scale from 0 to, let's say, 180. 0 to 180 on each clip. As you can see, yeah, we're already having a very smooth ride. So you want to go to transform 0 to 180. And you want to add your shutter angle to 180. Gives it a little bit of blur, gives it that, action feel as the camera moves. And after that, you want to add a little bit of easy ease out, then easy ease in, easy ease out here. And once you have the setups, you want to copy and paste for all your footages. So basically, you just want to copy the effect here, and you want to paste it on all your footages, except the last, because the last is a little bit different. Copy and motion effects. Copy, paste attributes, transform. That's the effect you want to copy, and then boom. So basically, you can see all the effects are now pasted on all, have all been added to all of the footages. As you can see, you're already having that effect. Yeah. One of the things you want to do is make sure all your footages are similar, so that when it comes to movement, make sure the footage are kind of static, so we are not having dynamic movement, because that's going to throw you off. And they are similar. So in this case, I went with a forest theme. So as you can see, all the clips have different trees, forest, and makes it much more easier to cut into it. And so let's say you're doing the city, you want to go with traffic, you want to go with pedestrian, you want to go to street signs. That will give you that kind of feel. Similar footages. So as you can see, here's what that's starting to look like. You have that very rapid zoom effect. And then for the last frame, you want to do something a little bit different. You want to go to your transform and then scale. You want to do just maybe 3 frames, 3 frames, and then I want to scale into maybe 125. and then you want to do an easy ease in. The difference is just to do an easy ease in on the last frame here. So with that, I'm going to increase this to 140. You don't want to go beyond 140 basically, so let's say 135 so that we can retain some quality in the clip. As you know, the clip is still, it's still up for a bit, so you don't want to lose too much quality. And then basically have that effect. That's it for the week. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.